Follow the steps in this video to troubleshoot blue or black screen, stop errors in Windows. First, let's run the blue screen troubleshooter. Make sure your computer stays connected to its power source throughout this process. Click on the Windows Start button to search for and open Support Assist. Go to the Support tab and click on Get Started under View Common Issues. Under My PC stopped responding or restarted unexpectedly, click Fix Now. Scroll down and select Fix Now again to prompt Support Assist to run an automated repair process. Next, let's run EPSA diagnostics. Keep your system connected to its power source throughout this entire process. Restart your computer. When the Dell logo appears, repeatedly press the F12 key to enter the one-time boot menu. Using the keyboard arrow keys, go to Diagnostics and press Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the diagnostics. If the test passes, your hard drive is working properly, and you can proceed to the next step. If you receive an error code, make a note of it and click on the link shown to look up the code details. If you can access the Windows desktop, you can use the Windows System File Checker to help find and repair corrupt operating system files. Click on the Windows Start button and type CMD into the search bar. In the Command Prompt app result, select Run as Administrator and click Yes to accept the changes. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. The System File Checker utility will check the integrity of the system files and repair them if required. When the process is complete, restart the computer. If none of the previous steps worked, we'll need to perform a system restore either in or outside Windows. Please note that the data on your device will be deleted during this process. Make sure your system stays plugged into its power source throughout this entire process. To perform a system restore in Windows, click on the Windows Start button and type System Restore into the search bar. Select Create a Restore Point. In the System Properties window, click on System Restore and then click Next. To view the apps that will be removed in this process, click on the Scan for Affected Programs button. Choose a restore point, click Next, and then Finish. Confirm by clicking Yes. If you are not seeing any restore points, it may be because your system protection isn't turned on and there are no restore points available on your system. Once you confirm, the restore point will apply and return the device to the previous good working state. The computer will restart. If you cannot access Windows, you can perform a system restore outside of the operating system. Turn on the computer. At the Dell logo screen, press and hold the power button to shut down the device. Repeat the process 2 more times. On the third restart, the device will enter the advanced startup options. On the Choose an Option screen, select Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options and then choose System Restore. Select the restore point you want to use and click Next. The Confirm Restore Point window will open. Click Finish to restore your computer. Do not interrupt the system restore. Doing so can corrupt your hard drive and create more problems. Click Yes on the warning that appears. The computer will restart once the system restore is complete. If the issue is not resolved, select another restore point and try again. If you are still having blue screen of death issues after performing these steps, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Make sure to subscribe and check out the other videos on our channel for more helpful Dell support content.